Hey, Stephen here with a new video for the DIY Musician's Guide. In this video I'm going to explain why I think that if you're involved in music in any way, such as you're in a band or a solo musician, whatever, I really think you need to blog. Hello, I've been really bad at keeping a blog. In fact, I must have tried to keep one going at least a dozen times. And it's not that I'm lazy or I don't have anything to put in it, it's just that I didn't see any value in doing it until now. I really think every musician should keep a blog and document their whole process. Here's a few reasons. But before we get into that, as always, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Number one, it tells your story. It's 2018 and everyone is on the internet, and you need to find a way to differentiate your band from that band. A quick tip, take photos. Now, I picked this REM book up the other day and it's full to the brim of photos, and it just hit me just how important photos can be to tell your story. Number two, it's helpful for others. You might not think that what you've got to say is particularly interesting to anyone else, but believe me, your fresh take on a problem or task can really inspire people. Number three, it helps us maintain our focus. There's so much in the world we could be doing rather than doing our music, but with a blog, we're reflecting on what we've done and what we're gonna do. It's like setting a New Year's resolution every time we post. So where should we blog? Now for me, I blog on my website, a place I think everyone in a band should have as their hub, but I have no problem with blogging straight to social platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, even YouTube like this. It's just that you don't have full control of those, but at least the people are there. I am planning on creating a guide on building your own website, so if that's of interest to you, then watch this space. So who's in? I'm going to commit to posting a weekly blog. I think weekly is way enough because it won't get in the way of actually making the music, and more importantly, I think, as I said before, it's going to give me that focus. If you do start a blog or you already have one, let me know in the comments and I'll check it out. As always, if you like this video, please subscribe and I will do more. Until next time, hope that helps. Bye.